Right now, AI baby dancing videos are taking over TikTok and Instagram. You see short clips with cute baby faces doing perfect dance moves. They get millions of views, and they're not from just one specific channel. They're getting views across many different channels. This means that anyone can potentially get millions of views if they create this type of video. Most people watching have no idea how easy they are to make. But this trend is not just about cute babies. It is about getting attention and turning that attention into income using AI. Many creators still do not know how to do this. By the end of this guide, you will understand how to make these videos for free, how to use trending sounds the right way, and how to stay ahead instead of always chasing trends. Many people think they need expensive software or special animation skills. That is not true. The real trick is motion copying. This means your AI character copies the moves from a real dance video. Once you understand this, everything becomes simple. Now I'm going to show you how to create these kinds of videos for free. First, we need an image of a baby. You can use one you already have, or download a free image from stock photo sites. There are many websites that provide free, high-quality images that you can use safely. Once you have the image, make sure the baby's face is clearly visible. You can also use any other character image if you prefer. I will use this image as a reference. Open ChatGPT, click the attachment icon and upload your reference image. In the prompt box, add this prompt to generate a similar image. Maintain the same pose, formal outfit, clean studio backdrop, and soft professional lighting style for the baby image. The image contains some text, so please include instructions in the prompt to remove the text from the image. If there is no extra text, you can skip that part. Now click Generate, and ChatGPT will provide 3 unique prompts. The 3 prompts share the same concept and idea but include slight variations in certain parts. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT that best fits your video idea. Now we will use Gemini AI to create the baby image. Go to Gemini AI, and below the prompt box you will find the Create Image option. Click it, then paste your copied image prompt into the prompt box. Now select the Pro option, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready. As you can see, the baby's identity remains the same, only the outfit and background have changed. If you prefer, you can also use your own photo as a reference. Click the plus icon and upload your image. Then select the Create Image option and paste the given prompt into the prompt box. The prompt instructs creating a cute 3D baby cartoon that closely matches the original person's face, using Pixar-like style, Indian outfit, realistic lighting, and high identity accuracy. Finally, click Generate, and in a few seconds, your image will be ready. It is quite easy to transform a person's image into a baby or kid-style image. Now, choose a dance video you want to add to your video and download it. For YouTube guidelines, I can't show the downloading process, but it's very simple to do. Now we will use one AI video tool to create the video. It is free to use. Go to One AI and sign in using your Gmail account. In the corner, you will find the Generate option. Click it. A prompt box will appear. Select the Photo Animate option. Then upload your generated image. Make sure the image has good resolution. Otherwise, it may not upload to the prompt box. Upload your reference video, one that you have permission to use. After uploading, you can edit or trim it. I'm choosing a 10-second clip for this video. finally click Generate. The process may take around 20 minutes or more because free tools prioritize quality. So please be patient while the video is being created. And finally, the video is ready. Let's check it out. Sometimes the AI may not allow you to upload your image. In that case, you'll need to upscale the image first. Simply go to an upscaling website, upload your image, and increase its resolution before trying again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.